Take a ride in the 2011 CTS. The CTS is a well-sorted blend of all-American style and European-inspired tuning with a cutting-edge design. The luxury CTS blends elegant styling, performance, and exceptional fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, cruise control electronic with set and resume speed, four-wheel ABS, aluminum wheels, universal garage door opener, center armrest, remote keyless entry, daytime running lamps, alarm, power seats. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.